Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn the control statements in Python. We will see if, else, for, while loops with the examples. So what are control flow statements? If, else and elif statements, for loop in Python, while loop in Python and many practice examples. When you write a program in Python, the code normally executes line by line from top to bottom. However, real world programs rarely follow a straight path. Sometimes you want the program to make decisions, repeat tasks, or stop execution based on conditions. This is where control statements comes into play. In this tutorial, you will learn what control flow statements are, if, else, and elif statements, for loop in Python, while loop in Python, and many practical examples. What are control flow statements? Control flow statements determine the order in which statements are executed in a program. They allow you they allow your program to make decision using the if else statement, repeat the code using the for while loop, and control execution logically. Without control flow, Python program would be static and limited. Now we will see the if statement in Python. The if statement is used to execute code only when a condition is true. Syntax is if condition and then code to execute. So this is the syntax of if condition or so this is the syntax of if condition. Let us see example now. If age is greater than equal to 18, if age is greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible to vote. So run this command and the output is you are eligible to vote. Now we will see the if else condition. If condition then code to execute else the syntax of if else condition is like this. Now see the example. Marks is equal to 45. So this is the usage of if else condition. Marks is equal to 45. If marks is greater than equal to 50, then print pass, otherwise print fail. So run this code and it is giving the else output, which is fail. Now we will see if elif else statement. Syntax is like this: if condition 1 code here, elif condition 2 and finally else. Make sure it is indented like this, should be into the same line of if condition. So this way you can write the if elif else statement. Let's see the example. His score is 85 if score is greater than equal to 90, print grade A. Elif score is greater than equal to 75, print grade B. If score is greater than equal to 60, print grade C as so you can use the multiple if elif condition like this. Execute this code and you will get the output as B because the value is between 19 and 75. Now we will see the nested if statement. Here you can place an if statement inside another if statement. Username admin, password equal to 1234. If if username is equal to admin, for comparison double equal to is used. Login successful, as print wrong password, as invalid login. So it will check username is equal to at admin, and if it is not admin, then it will directly go to this else statement and print invalid login. If password is equal to 1234, print login successful, otherwise wrong password. So run this example and it is saying login successful. Now we will see the for loop in Python. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence such as list, tuple, string or range, and syntax is like this. For variable in sequence and code here. Let's see the example. We are making a list of fruits: apple, mango, so this way you can use the for loop. Fruits is equal to apple, banana and mango. For fruit in fruits, print fruit. Now we will see the range with for loop. The range function generates a sequence of numbers, and we will use like this. For I in range 1 to 10, print I. So this way it can be used with the range. Now we will see the while loop in Python. Syntax is while condition. Here you write to code. while count is less than equal to 5, so it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So infinite loop can also be developed using the while true condition. Loop control statements loop control statements break statement stops the loop immediately. For I in range 10, if I equal to 5, break. So it executed is terminated when the I is 5. If we use the continue, it will skip the if we use the continue statement, it will skip this printing I and start from the for this from 4 position. So you can see the 5 is not printed, 6 is printed, 6 to 9, 0 to 4, 0 to 4 is printed, then 5 is not printed and 6 to 9 is printed. So common mistakes you should avoid is don't forget the indentation. Don't write the infinite loops. Use double equal to while comparing, and missing loop update in while. So in this tutorial, you learned what control flow statements are, how if else and elif works, how to use for and while loop, and practical examples. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.